Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Go Seek feature in Excel. A simple yet powerful tool for finding the necessary input value to achieve a desired outcome. Go Seek allows you to work backwards by specifying a target value and the variable you want to adjust to reach that target. Whether you're trying to determine the sales needed to achieve a specific profit, finding the break-even point, or setting budget targets, GoSeek can help you quickly find the answers you need. This tutorial is an excerpt from a comprehensive video where I cover all the built-in tools in Excel for sensitivity analysis, including GoSeek, data tables, Scenario Manager, Solver, and even your own custom scenario manager. If you're interested to learn about those, be sure to check out the full video in the description below. So, let's dive into GoSeek and discover how this feature can enhance your Excel models and support your decision-making process. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you learn anything from today's video. Let's get started. Let's look first on the setup of our Excel file. So we're going to pretend to be a real estate developer. And we have the costs here to build a house. We have the land costs, civil, electrical, the plumbing costs, the finishes, the vacancy cost, and the month's vacancy. Total cost is calculated below by adding the total costs of the first 5 items and then adding the multiplication cost between the vacancy cost per month times the number of months the real estate is going to be vacant. That's going to bring us to a total cost of $780,000. Then we have the max sale price of $1 million and the calculate below the profitability, which is the difference between the sale and the total cost, and the margin, which is the division between the sale price divided by the cost minus 1. So let's start by the most basic form of sensitivity analysis, which is the GoSeek. The GoSeek is a function that Excel provides to us. To access it, you go to Data, What If Analysis, and GoSeek. The GoSeek window is going to pop up, and you have to provide 3 inputs. The first one is the set cell. You have to choose which cell you want to perform the sensitivity analysis for. Let's say you want to perform a sensitivity analysis on cell F14. Make sure that's what you have in the field once you select it. Then we're going to click on the To Value field. That's the value you want to achieve in your sensitivity analysis. So let's say you want to achieve a profitability of $250,000. So just type the number over here. Then we're going to select the third field, the By Changing Cell. That's the cell you're going to change in order to achieve your profitability. I'm going to select the land price. So essentially, the Excel is going to calculate for us how much we should be able to pay in the land in order to achieve a profitability of $250,000. We're going to press OK, and Excel is going to calculate to us. And as you can see, now we have a profitability of $250,000 by reducing the original price from $400,000 for the land to $370,000. That's it. Very simple and straightforward. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you learned anything from today's video.